Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 74 Brazilian dart charger, and so this is from their series Celebration Racers. I never heard about this particular series. Maybe it's new for 2025, I guess. So I think this is something related to women empowerment, if I'm not wrong. So again, I didn't buy this in India. I bought this in Malaysia. So I don't even remember for how much I bought every single piece. So it came somewhere around 9.9 ringgits to 10.5 ringgits, depends upon the shop where I bought. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So as you can see, this is specific. This is I think new for 2025, I guess. So they mentioned it here. I mean, maybe this livery, I guess. Okay. Okay. So here is the casting itself. Let me just put the card aside. Okay. So here it is. So the initial impressions of this casting looks really nice. Okay, you can see some rashes in the paint job here in the hood. So you can see, that female logo here. Okay, International Women's Day, sorry. So this is for International Women's Day. Okay, got it. Okay. So I don't know who these people are. Lexi, Emily, Sarah, Daniel, Christina, Megan, Cindy, Kat, Lauren. I don't know who these women are, but happy Women's Day to everyone. Okay, so the body is actually metal, the chassis is actually plastic, as you can see. So the wheels are actually plastic. For a second, I thought it was rubber because it felt like that. I know it's a main line, but still, it does felt like that. You can see the grill details here, which is really nice. And I don't see much of an issue with the paint job. Maybe it is only for India we are getting a lot of issue with the paint job. So rest everything looks really nice. Maybe there are small issues with the paint job, but so overall it looks really nice. So let me just get my weighing machine. I forgot to take it out. Just allow me a second. Okay guys, so here it is. So let me just weigh this one and see how much is weight, because it actually feels very lightweight, like paper. Okay, 31 grams, not bad. Okay, let me just keep this aside. So let's talk about details. So apart from the paint job here, I don't see much of a details, the headlights or tail lights, nothing is painted here. So the only catchy thing in this particular casting is the paint job, the pink and gold on the white. So that actually looks eye candy. So that's the reason it looks really beautiful. The fuel cap here, and even though the paint job is a bit misaligned, it does look really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. Wow, it does roll really well. Sorry, I kept there is a box on the side, acrylic box. So I bought some action figures, like I told. There are there's something called a block keys. So I bought them. Those are really cool. I will be doing some review or something on that soon. I don't see any wheel wobble or anything. I mean, it rolls really smooth. Yeah, it rolls really smooth. It doesn't make any noise. I'm not sure if it is track special or something. I don't see any logo for that as well, but this casting rolls really well. So I really want to see, the Indian version, of this particular casting, how that one rolls and how much that weights compared to this one. I'm not sure. Maybe the weight is going to be similar, but I'm not sure how that is going to roll. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.